In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard, and when you're ready, clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and tap on Apply at the bottom right corner to save it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings, and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!